Hello students, welcome back to studies. Convert the following equations in statement form. So equations are given, we need to write it in a statement form. X minus 5 is equal to 9. So how can you write this? We can write it in this manner. 5 subtracted from X gives 9. This is one way of writing. The other way of writing is taking away 5 from X gives 9. You can write it in both the ways. Both the statements are right. 5p is equal to 20. So you can write this as 5 times a number p gives 20. Or 5 times a number p is 20. So both the statements are right. You can write either one of it. Three n plus 7 is equal to 1. So if you add 7 to 3 times a number n, it gives you 1. So let us write this. 7 added to 3 times a number n gives 1. So 3 times a number means 3 into n, 3n. What you should add? 7. If you add 7 to 3 times a number, it gives the value 1. The other way of writing this is add 7 to 3 times a number n to get 1. So you can write either the first statement or you can write the second statement. M divided by 5 minus 2 is equal to 6. M divided by 5 is 1/5 of M. Please watch my other videos on simple equations. In one of the videos, we have simplified the statements by writing it in equation form. If you watch that video, it becomes much more easier for you to convert this equation into statement form. Coming back to this problem, you have to subtract 2 from 1/5 of M to get 6. So let us write it. Subtract 2 from 1/5 of a number. And what is that number? M. Of a number M to get 6. P plus 4 is equal to 15. So you can write it in two ways. One is 4 added to a number p is 15. That's one way of writing it. The other way of writing it is the sum of p and 4 is 15. So you can write either one of the statement. M minus 7 is equal to 3. So how you can write this? 7 subtracted from m, from a number m, gives 3. In a simpler manner, you can write it as 7 subtracted from m is 3. You can write it in this manner as well. 2m is equal to 7. 2m is 2 times m. So 2 times a number. What is that number? Here in this case it is m. 2 times a number m is 7. Or the other way of writing is 2 times means twice the number m is 7. M divided by 5 is equal to 3. M divided by 5 is 1/5 of m. So 1/5 of a number m is 3. Or you can write, instead of is, you can write gives. That's also correct. 3m divided by 5 is equal to 6. So 3 by 5m. So 3/5 of a number m is 6. Here 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. 3p is 3 times p, right? So 3 times a number p when added to 4 gives 25. The other way of writing it is 3 times a number p added to 4 is 25. You can write it in another way as well. 4 added to 3 times a number p gives 25. So you can write it in different ways. All three gives the same meaning. 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. So how you can write it? 2 subtracted from 4 times a number p gives 18. The next is p divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So how can you write this in the statement form? 2 added to 1 by 2 of a number p gives 8. That's one way of writing it. The second way of writing it is 2 added to half a number p gives 8. Another way of writing this is add 2 to half of a number p to get 8. That's all for now, students. Hope you all enjoyed solving these problems. See you all in our next video.